Hey everyone, it is Friday and I'm losing my voice. I'm not actually sure what's going on. Like, I've had this really weird cough, but it comes and goes, and I think it's like hit my voice box now. But my dad requested toad in the hole, so that is exactly what he is having. But for me and the kids, we just have McDonald's because I told my kids at the beginning of the week if they were good at school, they could have McDonald's. And they didn't let me forget. But to be fair to them, they were good at school. And they had glowing reports at the end of the week, which was lovely. So, as I said, for my dad, he is having toad in the hole with a mashed potato and these processed peas. Now, normally I would cook this meal with garden peas, but because I am also cooking for my auntie, she doesn't eat anything other than processed peas. So my dad said to make life easier, just cook the processed peas. So that is my dad's dinner, all wrapped up with a little sticker that says Dad's Meals on Wheels. He thought that was hilarious. And then this is it all dished up at his. Follow for more.